Hi folks, happy Thursday. Right, I'm going to have one last go at this song. And then, if I still don't do it, I'm going to do something really easy. I mean, this isn't difficult. It's called Combine Harvester by the Wurzles. Did it in 1976. Right, here we go. I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you'm avoiding me. Now come on darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43 now. I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. You know I love you darling, give me your hand. But what I want the most of all is them acres of land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43 now. I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. So 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Eat, sleep in the kitchen is a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking scrumpy and that lager and lime. 'Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Weren't we a grand couple at that last Wurzles dance? I wore brand new gaiters and me corduroy pants. In your new Sunday dress with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took of us holding hands. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Whoa, yeah. That's it folks. See you tomorrow. Bye.